Good students, today I will teach you about science topic leaves. Leaves are mainly leaves are very important roles, have very important role in the life of plants. Okay, leaves are different shape and size. Leaves are different shape and size. Leaves are different shape and size, and mostly green, and some are flattened part. Broad part means chauda, flattened, and different shape and size, and mostly green, mostly blade or leaves are found green and flattened and broad types. Okay, different types of the shape and size of the leaves. Leaves are mainly two types. One is simple leaves and other is compound leaves. In simple leaves have only one blade, but in compound leaves have many blades are found on an axis branch. On this branch many blades are found here. Then this types of leaves are known as compound leaves. Compound means एक ही axis पर attached different types of leaves. Okay, these types of leaves are called compound leaves. But these types of leaves is called single leaves. Single, it is attached one blade or one leaf by one stem. But compound leaves attached in one stem many leaves are attached with one stem, but in single stem attached only one blade. Okay, then single blade. Okay, thus here you know that leaves are mainly leaves have very important role in the life of plants. And you know that leaves are known as a factory. Leaves are also known as factories of food for plant, food for plants. Okay, then leaves are mainly found two types. Leaves 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 are mainly two types, mainly two types. First, single leaves. First, simple leaves, simple leaves, and second compound leaves, compound leaves. Okay, simple leaves have a single simple leaves have a single simple leaves have single and undivided blade and undivided blade. Here, this leaf is a single and undivided blade, single blade, attached with a stem, not more blade. Only one blade is found, single blade. Okay, but here compound leaves, which leaves in one stem attached more blade, with one axis on branch. Okay, student, here in one stem different types, different more blades are found on one branch. In one stem many blades are attached. So these types of blades are known as compound leaves. Here many blades are attached with one stem, that is called compound leaves. Thus there are two types of leaves. First, simple leaves and other compound leaves. Okay, student? Thus these types of two leaves. You know that leaves are very important role in the life of the plants, and leaves are also known as the factory of food for plants. And you know that plants leaves prepare the food for the plant by photosynthesis system. In this system, leaves in the presence, leaves make prepare food for plant in the presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Okay, and make glucose, fructose and oxygen released. Thus, plants are very important in the life of our and all living things. Plants absorb carbon dioxide, bad air, and it refine of carbon dioxide and convert into oxygen during the photosynthesis, when time make food for the plant. Okay, and this during times the plant release the oxygen. Thus, plants are very important, and plant leaves are also very important for a plant. Okay. Next topic, after this next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay students, thank all of you.